I want to add belt loops to my pants, and all I had is little swatch. So I had to cut 1-inch wide strips, but this fabric is heavy. I can't do traditional belt loops, so I decided to use grosgrain underneath. So my grosgrain is 1/2 inch wide, and I cut 1-inch wide strips. So I created a little marker 1/2 inch from cardboard and try to press the fabric for easy sewing. First I overlap the grosgrain for 1/4 and stitch. Now I fold it and edge stitch. Now the second fold is a little bit harder, so I have to go a little slower and edge stitch. It looks perfect and it's not bulky. So I cut and burn the edges. So first I sew at the bottom. Unfortunately, my vintage sewing machine can't go backwards, so I have to turn the fabric around 3 times. So at the top, I made a grosgrain 3/8 shorter than the fabric, so that when I fold, it's not too bulky. Not bad, right?